What's up folks, Justin Phillip here, back again. Nothing too exciting today, just a short, quick little video wanting to let you guys see for yourselves if a matte screen protector that fights glare is actually even worth it. Does it do its job? You guys know that I have a smallHD 502 now. For anybody that has this monitor or maybe the 702 and you didn't opt for the bright edition, you know, you're only looking at 400 nits. But let's be honest here, I am coming from an Atomos Shinobi which has 1000 nits, and at the end of the day, that thing still had killer glare. When I was shooting with that Atomos Shinobi on the Red Dragon out at the beach, there was wicked glare on it. So it doesn't matter how many nits you guys have, whether you want to admit it or not, even if you have something with 1500 nits, at the end of the day, it's going to have reflection, it's going to have glare. Will this particular screen protector that is supposed to fight glare, has a matte finish, does it actually work? And we're gonna be experimenting with it on the smallHD 502. And also I was a little bit concerned with, does that matte finish affect the image quality through the Sidefinder, the viewfinder? Because, you know, it is a matte finish, and all this thing does is just, it has a mirror inside of here, and it's reflecting the big screen and putting it on a little screen and shooting it straight to your eyeball. And I didn't know if the matte finish would affect the image quality of that image overall or not. So here we go. First, you want to make sure the screen is super clean. I like to use the Kimtech wipes in conjunction with the Pancro lens cleaner. It's the same stuff I use on my lenses. By the way, if you're using this Kimtech wipes, never use a dry wipe. I wouldn't even recommend using a dry microfiber cloth on your lenses or your monitors, because you can tend to get scratches with any dry cloth. Not to mention, you shouldn't be using microfiber cloths on your lenses or your monitors, because those things attract dirt, dust. They're usually just sitting at the bottom of your camera bag. Not a good idea. So what I've done about a month ago, I picked up this box of Kimtech lens wipes. It's good for your monitors, it's good for your lenses. But again, if you're going to use these, you are going to want to make sure to moisten them first with the Pancro lens cleaner. I highly recommend these. I've been using these to clean my Zeiss lenses and my monitor screens, and I'm going to leave links to both of these cleaning options down in the description below, along with one of these bad boys, your little lens blower, the bulb blower. You're going to want one of these. These are pretty cool. I've had these for quite a few years now. Okay, so now that we have the little screen protector on, when you're putting these on, you want to be careful, because you know, I mean, it's just like when you put a decal onto something, it can get bubbles very quickly. So you want to make sure and use a little credit card or something, and, you know, take your time, be patient. Okay, so here we go. Here you'll see what the monitor looked like before I was using any kind of screen protector whatsoever. Wicked glare, as you can tell. And by the way, I was even like under a little bit of a shaded area. So this isn't even direct sunlight. So you can still get killer glare even in the shade. And now I did my best to show you guys what the image looks like through the Sidefinder. But as you can see, it looks like there's a little bubble in there, but that's really not there. It just is the way that the cell phone camera is working in conjunction with the inner lens element on this Sidefinder. Anyways, I was trying my best to show you guys that image there so we could compare once the matte sun glare screen protector is on there. So now that we have our screen protector on there, right away you can see a huge difference. You can see where there was a little bit of glare trying to peek through on that upper right hand corner, but the little screen protector really acts like a shield. It really like fights it off, and yeah, as you can see there, it is a pretty big difference. And then even with the Sidefinder, I think the image quality looks better now with that matte screen protector on there. So yeah, I mean, maybe something going on with the reflections inside of this little device, maybe just having that little extra little shield of anti-glare is just giving you an overall reflected better image through the Sidefinder as well. So I highly recommend this. I mean, even if you're rocking something like an Atomos, again, I don't care how many nits you have, the sun is going to reflect off of any shiny surface. So you're gonna get glare even at 1500 nits. You can't really avoid that. So I've found a few options on Amazon for different anti-glare screen protectors, and I do recommend getting something with the matte finish, because I think that helps better. So I'm going to put links to those down in the description below if you guys are, you know, looking for something like that. And I know it's kind of a lame-o video, but I just thought it'd be nice if people are kind of on the fence, or maybe some people don't even know. They just think like, oh, my monitor has 1000 nits. I don't need a screen protector. And you know, you just ordered an Atomos monitor like the Ninja 5 or the Shinobi, and you're waiting for it to get there. And then when you take it out on the beach, you're going to realize like, oh shit, I still can't really see this very well, because that was my experience with the Shinobi. So yeah, there you go. As always, thanks for watching, and till next time, that is a wrap.